Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to our channel. As said in our previous video, we are again before you with the details regarding CA Foundation course. Before getting into this video, let me brief you what we are going to know today. About CA Foundation course, which is an entrance gate into CA course, and passing criteria like how many marks to score and weightage and pattern, and what are the subjects in the CA Foundation course, and overview on the syllabus.
Now let's get into the video. The eligibility for the foundation course is to qualify in respect to state intermediate exams, that is 10+2 classes. Exams are being held in the months of May and November, and this exam will be conducted for 4 days.
Now let us look into the passing criteria. So we will be having 4 subjects which carries 100 marks each. Qualifying criteria per subject is 40 out of 100 marks, and also student has to score minimum 200 marks out of total 400 marks to qualify the exam. To brief you in detail, we will discuss this passing criteria with 4 scenarios in the next slide.
In the first case, the student has scored 40 marks in minimum in all the papers, but the student failed to score 200 marks in aggregate. So the student result will be failed. In second and third case, the student has scored 40 minimum marks in all the papers, and also student scored 200 and 200 plus marks in aggregate. So now the student result will be pass in both these cases. But the case 4 is a bit different one, and this is where many students get stuck to qualify the exam. Here we can see the student qualified with minimum 40 marks in first 3 papers, that is accounts, law and mathematics, but student failed to score minimum 40 marks in the economics paper. So now even student scored 210 marks, his result will be declared as failed because the student has failed in the economics paper. So now the overall conclusion is that the passing criteria is 40% on individual subject basis and 50% on an aggregate.
Now let us have a look on the subjects in the foundation course. Paper 1, Principles and Practice of Accounting, and Paper 2, Business Law, Business Correspondence and Reporting, which is further divided into Section A and Section B. Paper 3, Business Mathematics and Logical Reasoning and Statistics, which is further divided into Part 1 and Part 2. Paper 4, Business Economics and Business and Commercial Knowledge, which is further divided into Paper 1 and Paper 2. Now let us take a look at marks weightage of each paper. Paper 1, that is accounting, which carries 100 marks, and paper 2, which is divided into two sections, business law, which carries 60 marks, and business correspondence and reporting, which carries 40 marks. And paper 3 divided into two parts, part 1 business mathematics with 40 marks and logical reasoning with 20 marks, and part 2 statistics with 40 marks. And paper 4, which is divided into two parts, part 1 which carries 60 marks and part 2 which carries 40 marks.
Now let's know about the mode of exam. Paper 1 and paper 2 are subjective mode, means here a student has to give descriptive answers, whereas paper 3 and paper 4 are objective mode, means multiple choice questions type. And one more important point in paper 3 and paper 4 is we have negative marking, which means for every 4 wrong answers, 1 negative mark will be given.
Finally, let us have a board view on the syllabus. Paper 1, Principles and Practice of Accounting, which consists of theoretical framework, accounting process, bank reconciliation statement, inventories, etc. But this paper is more familiar to commerce student and it's bit new to non-commerce students of intermediate. And paper 2, Business Law and Business Correspondence and Business Reporting. This is new to both commerce and non-commerce students, which is consist of Indian Contract Act, Sales of Good Act, Indian Partnership Act, Limited Liability Partnership Act, etc. And paper 3, Business Mathematics, Logical Reasoning and Statistics, which is an extension of mathematics subjects in 10+2 classes, which consist of ratios and proportions, equations and mathematics, linear inequalities, time value of money, etc. And final paper is paper 4, which is more familiar to commerce students as paper 1 and it's bit new to non-commerce students of intermediate, which consists of business economics, theory of demand and supply, theory of production and cost, price determination, etc. We hope that now you have a clear view on CA Foundation course. Please do subscribe, like, share. Thank you for watching, friends.